Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get your hands on a unique dog training system that can help you train your dog yourself and have fun whilst doing it. Does your dog have any of these bad behaviors? Not listening to you, too aggressive? Does your dog chew on things that they are not supposed to chew on? They dig around every time you take them out, and wherever they are not supposed to, they pull on their latches, back uncontrollably, and getting overexcited. It's hard to settle them down. If so, let me introduce you to Adrian Farcelli, a certified dog trainer. And for 10 years, he has been helping people to eliminate bad behaviors in dogs and train well-behaved, obedient, and loving dogs. Adrian has created a short ebook that I'm sending to your email that you entered earlier. It should be in your inbox in about 20 minutes. If it's not in your inbox, check your spam mail. Adrian wants to help you train your dog like a professional without spending $300 an hour and thousands of dollars. That is why she has created Brain Training for Dogs online course. No matter how stubborn your dog is, anybody can use Brain Training for Dogs to eradicate bad behaviors and really well-behaved dogs, because every conceivable dog training problem is covered in this training. Body training, dealing with aggression, jumping, digging, whining, chewing, excessive barking, whoa. All that is covered. Impulse control, ignoring commands, and much more. They are all covered. This course will show you step by step, no matter what challenges you are facing with your dog. Adrian's Brain Training for Dog have you covered. To get a hands on this system, click on the link below and grab your copy of this online course. I can assure you that if you use the technique talks in this course, you will get great results. Click on the link below and check out the product. You will not be disappointed. It's very good. Thank you for clicking on the link below and grabbing your copy of Adrian's Brain Training for Dogs. Wish you all the best results from using Brain Training for Dogs to train your dogs. Thank you and God bless.